Header and navigation. Let's use Bootstrap's grid to create simple header with navbar. In the example code below, an HTML header element with Bootstrap's predefined container class is used. Instructions number 1 in index.html on the line below the opening body tag, create a header element with Bootstrap's container class. Okay, next inside the opening header class container tag, create a div with the Bootstrap class row. Okay, so now number 3. Now we'll cut the row into two parts. The first part inside the div class row tag, create an h1 with Bootstrap's class called sm4. The content for the h1 will be the company name. You can use Skillfair or anything you'd like. Run your code to see the results in the web browser. Whoops. Right, so number 4. Now for the second part of the row, one line below the h1 element, create a nav element with Bootstrap's class called sm8 text right. Oh, is it call sm8, right? Text right. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of a typo. There you go. Okay, so number 5. Finally, inside the opening nav class, call sm8, create 3 p elements. The content for each p will be a navigation item. You could use items names such as newest, catalog, and contact. All right, that's it for this exercise. Let's move on.